As a project manager, it is important to understand and manage your sphere of influence within the project. This sphere of influence refers to the range of tasks and activities that are within your authority and responsibility as a project manager. It is your job to ensure that the project stays on track and meets its objectives, and to do this, you need to have a clear understanding of your role and what you're responsible for. One of the key responsibilities of a project manager is to set clear goals and objectives for the project. This involves defining the scope of the project, setting timelines and budgets, and determining the resources that will be required or needed to complete the project. Once these goals and objectives have been established, it is up to the project manager to ensure they are met. This may involve assigning tasks to team members, coordinating the work of different teams or departments, and managing budgets and timelines. In addition to setting goals and objectives, a project manager must also be able to communicate effectively with stakeholders. This includes keeping stakeholders informed about the progress of the project, addressing any concerns or issues that may arise, and communicating any changes or updates to the project plan. By maintaining good communication with stakeholders, the project manager can ensure that everyone is on the same page and working towards one common goal. Another important aspect of project manager's sphere of influence is the ability to make decisions and take actions within the scope of the project, which may involve resolving conflicts, making changes to the project plan, or adapting to unforeseen circumstances. The project manager must be able to make these decisions quickly and effectively in order to keep the project on track and ensure that it is completed successfully. Overall, the sphere of influence of a project manager is crucial to the success of a project. By understanding and managing this sphere of influence, the project manager can effectively lead and manage his or her team and ensure that the project stays on track and meets its objectives. See you in the next lecture.